This cake has it all: M&M's, KitKat and melted chocolate. So all you need is a chocolate cake to slice the top off and slice it in half horizontally. Now we're going to add some chocolate ganache. You can pre-make this yourself, or you can buy it pre-made from the store. Smooth that over nicely, add our next layer, cover that in chocolate ganache too. You can be as generous as you like with this. We're going to put it all the way around the edge of our cake. Now time to stick on our KitKat pieces all the way around the outside of our cake, creating a bit of depth there, because we need to make our waterfall. So with a little bit of ganache, we're going to use it to stick M&Ms onto a cocktail stick or any wooden stick. We're going to do it all the way along the whole stick and put that in the top of our cake. And now time for some more M&Ms and some more M&Ms and more M&Ms. And how about a few more M&Ms? Right, there you have it, an M&M waterfall. I really do hope you like M&Ms. Delicious. Look at this amazing chocolate filling cake. Ooh, so delicious. Start with a cake tin and spray on some cooking spray. Add some chocolate cake dough in one side and butter cake dough in the other side. Give it a tap and bake at 150 degrees for 30 minutes. Lovely. Using a bowl, cut out a hole in the middle. Scoop it out using a melon baller. Make it into a kind of a bowl. And then pour in dark and white chocolate ganache side by side. Ooh, best friends. Let's pop on some KitKat pieces. Lovely. And drizzle on some chocolate sauce. White chocolate frosting goes around the edge for a finishing touch. And then dark chocolate frosting on the other side. Perfect. And there you have it. Chocolate filling cake. Slice it up. And just watch it ooze out. So easy to make. And if you can't decide which flavour you want, this is perfect. Half chocolate, half vanilla. Who could ask for anything more? Go on, give it a go.